welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title of the video, that's why I clicked on this video, because y'all guys want to obviously see what I got going on. It's your girlfriend birthday today. My girl Ming, shout out to her. Her birthday is today. I'm gonna put her link in the description so you guys can go subscribe to her channel. But we're just about to have just like a little girls night. We went out to eat to this place called Mastro's I think, or something like that, and it was so good, super classy. I got really cute today. Got on my honey bun outfit. It's really cute. I look really nice. And we just having, you know, girls night, positive vibes. We gonna, you know, play some games. We gonna have fun. So if you guys are new to the channel and you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, because I am vlogging so you guys can see how me and my girls are together, because when we link up, it's lit. But you guys, and make sure if you didn't like this video, make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you guys comment in the comment section below what videos you guys want to see next. And also make sure you guys stay tuned for more workout videos, because they're coming soon. Hey babes, it's your girl Trina Marie. Y'all know me. And make sure y'all go follow my girl.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Strong Mommy Chrissy.
Ooh. Ooh. Go follow her.
I'm hot, but guess what? It's my motherfucking
Birthday. Go subscribe. Go subscribe to her channel. Go. Ooh. Look at her. Hey. Come here, Callie. Come here, Callie. Say hi to the vlog. Come on, Ming. Take your picture. Bug it up, bug it up, bug it up, bug it up, bug it up. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, okay. What? You got the Megan. Want me to take your picture? I got you. I got you. I got you. Come over here. Come over here. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how photographer Jalyn take this. Let's get it. Hold on, wait. I gotta get you the good.
Look at that body.
Hold on, wait. Not yet. Not yet.
So we can see that ass. Yes, keep your arm up so we can see that ass. Ass.
Ooh. Hold on, wait. Let me do the flash. Let me do the flash. Let me show y'all how to do this.
Okay, angle.
I got you right here. Put your head down. Turn your head away. No, do the same pose, but turn your head more. Yeah,
like this way?
Yeah. No, like.
Should I angle?
A little over? Yeah.
Cali cat.
Let them love
Yes, bitch. Okay, this is bothering me. Yo, tags are out. I gotta stick them in. They bother me. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, there you go. Yeah.
Bring it up.
We gotta take pictures together.
We about to get lit right now. We about to play, what's this called? The drink pong. The drink pong. That's what we gonna call it. The drink pong. So we gotta set it up, and we gonna do teams. Hold on. We gonna do teams, y'all. So we're going to listen. We're going to describe the instructions as soon as we set the game up. So we're gonna set the game up, and I'll be right back. Now let's play for who goes first.
Okay, all right.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Pow, pow.
Oh, bitch. Let's do it.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. We tied. Just so cute. I was like, everybody goes down. She's all about this. She's all about rock, paper, scissors. I was like, that counts. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Back to the again. You get to go.
I should say this much. She's super competitive. Okay.
Where's the balls?
All the balls.
In your drawers, bitch. Y'all get 4 chances?
Here we go.
Come on, Trina, get here.
You go first.
So the rules is we got 9 cups, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go first. If we make it into one of theirs, they gotta drink their adult drink. If they make it into one of ours, we gotta drink ours. If we get their cups going first, we win. That means they drunk the most. So with that being said, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can turn on post notifications. That's the end of the video. Damn.
See, this is why we all suck. It don't matter if you don't get it, then you have to drink. This one's yours. Oh, almost. Right, it was so close.
If it bounce out,
Let me get my glasses. Oh shit! No, let me get my. Come on, get your glasses on, bitch. Let me see. Let me adjust my prescription real quick.
my bifocal was
Right. She like, last time I checked. Right. I can see now. Right. Okay. Go. Get in.
Cause that's some strong cider.
She's like, oh no. That was close. Ooh, my turn.
You lean.
That was sorry. Was it my turn? My bad. What's your name?
Callie said she didn't want to play one way. No.
She's like, give it, Callie. She's like, no, I'm sorry.
Callie, get the ball back.
Dog smiles are the cleanest smiles. And they're. Yeah, me gotta take it. It's your body.
Take it. Right here too, right here. Ooh. Between middle, right there. There you go.
I'm gonna take it. Take that.
Come on, no wasting time.
Ooh, okay. All right.
Y'all, we on my TikTok. That was probably cute.
They're the only one doing the shit, right? It's like a salsa shit or something.
Turn around.
It looked good. It was good.
Me and you go first. I'll go after you and then. Go, Mindy. So we're playing this game and Ming has to use an imaginary pole to dance. So here she goes.
Ready?
Yep.
Big old freak. Big booty, big old tree.
Get it.
Hey. Girl, you gotta get that money.
It ain't 30 seconds yet. There you go. There you go. Push it backwards. Push it backwards.
Jalyn, lick her face.
Yeah, it is literally.
Wait, stop. It's not
It is
even
literally
late.
4:08.
It's not even late, though.
It's not late.
No.
It's like I
damn.
usually go to sleep around this time.
No.
It's the next night, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Yesterday I had a HO. Like today when I woke up, I had a HO. Like I had a over, and I was just like, you know, tired all day, sleeping all day. But I just wanted to come here and end out the video since I didn't get to last night when I was, you know, having a whole bunch of fun. But yeah, you guys, I enjoyed my night. It was very fun. Shout out to my girl. Happy birthday to you. Hope you enjoyed. And I'm going to end out this video right here. So I'm going to do post notification shout out. So post notification shout out goes to Ollie Gomes. They said, Jalyn is so clean and organized. Wifey material for sure. Thank you girls so much for subscribing to the channel and commenting on my videos. If you guys want to enter a post notification shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment, you know, show some support. I haven't uploaded in a week, so I'm back at it, y'all. I'm back in my grind mode. Also, beauty room coming soon. Only I waited off is because I've been waiting on something for so long, but I just might have to get like a refund or something because they take it forever. So I'm gonna just do it like without it, and I'm gonna just tell you guys what I was waiting on. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If you guys want more vlogs with me and my girls or just vlogs in general, make sure you guys comment, let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. And with that being said, I love you guys. Good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.